Welcome back. Now you all know what are the two main hands on a clock face. The long one is the minute hand and the short one is the hour hand. The minute hand and the hour hand. Wherever you see a clock face, it can be a circle or it can be a square shaped one. It doesn't matter. But the numbers should be 1 to 12. That is the standard of these clock faces. 1 to 12. You will be having 12 numbers and two main hands. Sometimes you may even have an extra hand like this, which shows the seconds. There are 60 seconds. There are 60 seconds per minute and there are 60 minutes per hour. Let's learn how it works. Now we all know the hands. These two hands. This clock face shows 7 o'clock. Now it is 7 o'clock. There are 24 hours per day. How many hours are there per day? There are 24 hours are there. Now it is 7 o'clock. We'll learn how to read the time. If you check these two numbers, since I told you, we start from number 1. 12 is the starting point. 12 is the starting point. So, we'll go to number 12. 12 to 1. 12 to 1. Can you see that there are 5 small dots? Actually, you can see only 4 here. 1, 2, 3, 4. The fifth one is behind this number 5. As they have printed this number 5 here, the dot is not visible. But if you come to an actual clock, you would be able to see that there are 5. See? 1. From this one to this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the fifth one. This is the fifth one. There are 5 minutes in between two numbers. If you check all the numbers here, 5, again another 5, again another 5, 5 like that, you will get 60 minutes. How many minutes? Altogether, you will get 60 minutes on a clock face. If you can sit and count from 1 to 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. There are 60 minutes on a clock face. And there are 60 minutes per hour. You can see this. You can see this, right? Let's learn how to read it now. As I told you, each and every single dot represent a minute. A minute. We are starting from 12. Now it's 1 minute. How many minutes? 1 minute. When it moves to this one, the second one, how many minutes are gone? 2 minutes. 2 minutes are gone. And if you move a little, how many minutes are there? 1, 2, 3. There are 3 minutes. If you move one more, 4 minutes. And here we are. 5 minutes. 5 minutes. How do we know it is 5 exactly? One way is counting from 12 to 1. Counting the dots from 12 to 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Even on a real clock, even on a real one, you can find. You can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If not, you really know you really know if this minute hand is on number 1. If it is on number 1, you know it represents 5 minutes. It is 5 minutes. Shall we read the time now? The hour hand is on 7. It shows the hour, and the minute hand is on 5. 7, 5. What is the time now? 7, 5. If we go a little up to here. Now what is the time? 7, 10. 7, 10. How do we know that it is exactly 7:10? You have to start counting from 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. There are 10 minutes from 12 to 2. 2 means 10. 1 means 5. 3 means 15. 4 means 20. 5 means 25. 6 means 30. 7 means 35. 8 means 40. 9 means 45. 10 means 50. 11 means 55. 12 means 60. Do you feel something familiar with this pattern? Just think a little. Yes, you are. You have learned 5 times table before. You know the 5 times table. If you know the 5 times table, it's easy for you all to understand this pattern. So, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55 and 60. So, there are 60 minutes, which means 12 numbers on a clock face. There are 60 dots are there, which shows us the 60 minutes, and there are 12 numbers on a clock face. 5 times 1 is 5. 5 times 2 is 10. 5 times 3 is 15. 5 times 4 is 20. 5 times 5 is 25. 5 times 6 is 30. 5 times 7 is 35. Like that, if you count up to 12, you will get 60. 5 times 12 is 60. I hope it is clear for you all. Let us read the time on this. Is it easy for you all to read the time on this? Yes, it is. Now the small hand is in between 4 and 5. It is in between. It is in between, not exactly near number 4. Not exactly near number 4. But still, we have to take the number which comes first. Which comes first. Not the number which comes after. The number before the hour hand. It's 4, because the 4, this is the number you get first. Right? So, it goes to number 4. 4 and the long hand, the minute hand is on number 5. Exactly, it is on number 5, which shows 25 minutes. 25 minutes. So, now the time is 4:25. 4:25. Did you all understand that? Yes. Now the time is 7:10. 7:10. If you come down, 30 minutes. If the minute hand is on number 6, it shows us the time as 7:30. 30 minutes gone. 30 minutes are gone. Right? 3 means 15. 6 means 30. And again 35, 40, 45. 9 means 45. Right? 9 means 45. When it comes to 15, we can read the time as 7:15. As 7:15. When it comes to 6, you can read it as 7:30. 7:30. Now 35, 40, 45, 50, 55. This is the most important area. 55. Now it is 7:55. Did you notice that this R hand has automatically moved to number 8? I didn't move it. No, it's not me. Right? When you get 1 hour, when you complete 55 minutes, let's see. Now, it has automatically come to this 8. The number after 7 is 8. When you go one round like this, if you take 1 hour and sit in front of a clock face and observe it, you will see how it goes around. Now earlier it was in between 4 and 5. Now it's coming little closer to 5. Once if it goes here, when it goes here, it comes on top of number 5, exactly near number 5. Let me teach you how. As I told you, the most important part is this. Now it is 7:55. It's not 8:55. Is it 8:55? No, it is 7:55. Since it is not exactly on 8. Since this is a dummy, you may see like that. This is 55. 56, 57, 58, 59, 59, and then 60, the 60th minute. The 60th minute. We don't have 7:60, 7 hours and 60 minutes. We are moving to the very next number. The immediate number next to number 7 is 8. Did you understand that? We have only up to 7:59. 7:59. There is nothing called as 7:60. We have to move to the next